if you're lazy like me, hitting the bong all the time, you might want to use version control, but you're used to how it worked in VS Code, or you're used to how it worked in Atom, and now you're trying to make your workflow better. You're trying to use uh, hipster fucking text editors like Cocoon and whatever. So that's what Lazygit's for good for. You just install it and run the you run the program, and if you don't have a repository in the directory that you ran it in, it'll ask if you want to make one. And so you just hit yes. You change the name of the branch to main from master, because that's, an old thing we're trying to get away from. And then it'll make a git ignore file for you. So that's just going to be uh, in whatever directory you opened it in, and made it a repo, and I put everything in my home directory in here except for the shit that I wanted to keep. So to accomplish that, I ran ls-la, and it gives everything in a nice list. You can copy that, you can paste it in here. The syntax is just you put the folder or the file name, or the directory of the file name, and that's it. Any white space is ignored, any comments are ignored. A comment is just with a pound symbol. And that's it. I ran it again in my config folder, because most of the stuff I want to keep is in that config folder. And then you can, from there, it's very simple. You'll see the unstaged files appear here. Whenever you make a change, it'll be there. And if you don't want to add it, you don't have to add it. You can add it to the ignore. There's this whole menu. It tells you every command you can do. And it's very, very simple, very easy. You can connect it to a remote repository. I don't know how to do that yet. I haven't done it, but it'll be easy enough to figure out. The sun's actually coming up now. And so that's it. Version control for pot smokers.